This is Mamta Mallecha. I'm practicing as a life coach. Today we are going to work how we can work on our own mind, how we can create our own thoughts, how we can create our own feelings, how we can take an action towards our growth, how we can work ourselves to get a to have a better mind, and how we can use our mind in a better way. In this video we are going to learn about how we can declutter our own mind. First, mind dump. Whatever thoughts coming into your mind, just write it down, just note it down, just reflect it down, and have your journal to reflect your thoughts. So whatever you have in your mind, either stress, either happiness, it's all come out from your mind. So work on yourself to reflect your ideas into a piece of paper, and have your journal to reflect your ideas, and work yourself towards that each and every day. Next is we have to know what thoughts we are generating in our own mind, how we can work towards our thoughts, how we can change these thoughts into a positive ones. So how we should be aware of what thoughts we are generating. So we have to create that self-awareness of yourself, what thoughts you are generating in your mind, how you can change your thoughts into positive one. Whenever the negative thoughts come into your mind, change into positive ones, or observe yourself, observe more that what you are thinking, what's your thoughts are creating in your mind, how we can recreate that own thoughts into joy, happiness, how we can change that change that state of mind. Even if we are sad, or sometimes we are depressed, how we can change our mind, how we can change ourselves into that happiness. So work on your mind, whatever it's happened. If you're feeling negative emotion, be just aware of your negative emotions, and use that into your use that negative emotions and follow it, and change that negative emotion into positive emotion by aware of saying yourself. If you're saying yourself, I am not capable of, tell yourself, I am not capable of it, but I am going to work now. Up until now I am lazy, but next from today onwards I am going to active. Up until now I am very afraid, now I am going to be faced with fear. Up until now I am still I need clarity on my goals, but now onwards I'm going to work towards my goals. So have up until now, and start creating into a new sentence. Work yourself. So start being aware of your own thoughts, and be the observer of your own mind. Your subconscious mind is elephant, and ant is conscious mind. So we should work on our subconscious mind. The subconscious mind take that what you say, it doesn't know what is good or bad. So we have to create more of positive emotion, more into deeper, and negative emotion lesser. Whenever you feel negative emotion, take it into a lesser side. Don't feel much. When you're having that positive emotion, take into your self deeper, that positive emotion goes deeper into your mind, and that subconscious mind listen to that. So start working on your and whatever you say, you do. If you say and you don't do, the subconscious mind accept that thoughts, and it will be generating the action. So just whatever you say, you do, the subconscious mind note it down, and it will help you to take the action of what we say. So we should be aware of what we say and how we can take an action. So start working on your programming on your mind. Let we take small steps. So work on your own mind by training your mind with little discipline. Say to yourself that I am good enough, I am capable, I can work towards myself. Tell yourself, use this affirmation to go inner yourself. When you change this negative sentences into positive sentences by affirmation, if you say again and again and again, it will go deeper into your subconscious mind. So it will generate what you say, and you'll attract more of positive emotions. So we have to work on that by creating our own awareness towards our subconscious mind. Accept yourself, accept as you are. We have to have that self acceptance, and we should not judge ourselves. We should work on ourselves, and we should not able to judge others. So first, accept yourself as you are. You have had such a beautiful life, so accept as you are and work yourself. When you accept as you are, your mind also accept you. You feel much better of yourself. Start accepting yourself each and every day. Start towards your self-love. Start towards your kindness within yourself. Start working towards yourself. Embrace more of pleasure than pain. Work on yourself to train your mind by being calm, patient, and being kind. So work on yourself. Start working yourself by training your mind. We can train your mind with this one tip, like with meditation. Meditation is must we have to do in our life. When we connect our faith, when we surrender to him, we get even the thoughts generate into our mind, even that we know we are going to observe ourselves. When we close our eyes and we observe ourselves, even the thought comes, it's okay, but observe yourself. Connect the soul, connect to your faith, that thank him for what you have in life. Connect with him and tell him that I'm completely surrendered to you. Just connect your faith with each and every day. So that will help you to create that monk mind in you. So start working on that. Next, have that self-acceptance, self-awareness, not judging yourself. It will all help to train yourself, and you also train your mind with more of positive sentences and positive images. So if you get more if you see more visualizing, you will get deeper into it. So if we close our eyes now if we close our eyes and we are selling blue color, now you will see the blue. Now if you are seeing, say, the red color, you can see that red. Now we are saying that brown color, but you see that brown color, but you are seeing that color in your eyes. It is showing, it is visualizing, it is accepting in your mind. So stop visualizing, and so the images are more accepting in your mind. So start work on your creating more positive images by self visualization, and create more positive sentences with self affirmations. So next, we have to limit with good things. We have to surround people with good things. We have to surround with good people with good. We have to learn from others. We have to we have to work on ourselves by learning from others, and we have to take that what good things we have good things into our mind, not limiting the bad things. We have to limit our mind with good things, with good images, with good affirmation sentences, with good positive sentences. So first, if you want to declutter your mind, first we have to work down on reflecting yourself each and every day and maintain your journal. Second, create your own self-awareness of what thought you are creating in your mind, and be an observer of your thoughts. Third, up until now you are going to change yourself into a new one. So work yourself by using more affirmations and more visualization to give your mind a better training for a positive mindset. Next, self acceptance and not judging others and accepting as we are and giving more self love to us. So train your mind and work on yourself each and every day. And this life is so beautiful, so work on yourself each and every day towards your growth, and each day have a growth day. So thank you guys, bye, see you in the next video.